Very early, guys. Good morning. Good morning, USA. Finally, we're here na in the US, guys. Arrived yesterday. I think 1 p.m. arrived the house. Very cold here because some area still have snow. But our area is, the snow is gone. But still cold. I have 2 clothes on and 2 jacket on because so cold, guys. I wear also gloves. When I away home, guys, for almost 6 months, lot of guys, the house over here look like the remove, guys, because if you're not living here and your house is here, you need to pay the rent. The rent now is 500 per month. Time now is 6:30. I wake up so early. My husband wake up so early. They play her game. To go our mailbox right there. Let's see. I'm sure for 5 months, lot of mail, junk mail over there. I don't know. This is our box right there. This house, guy, for sale. Close to the mailbox. For sale. For sale, that house. Lot of house for sale, guy. Remove. Usually nice talk in the morning, no?
Yeah, I don't think it's that cold now.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it doesn't feel bad to me at all.
Nice talk in the morning. We are now in the cold place after a nice weather in the Philippines. We went to the mill this morning, guy, and I get this guy card. Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Blessing, bliss, and soy. Oh wow, thank you so much, Ate Bliss and Soy. Belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you so much. And shout out to Lisel in Dumaguete. Lisel Melton in Dumaguete, guys. And her family in Samar. Thank you so much, guys, sa pag-watch sa aking video. Thank you so much, everyone. Lisel Melton in Dumaguete. Hi, guys, and good morning, everyone. We here na, guys, at the US, guys. My first morning here in the US, and thank you, Lord, for a safe travel, guys. Long flight, guys, from Manila to San Francisco. Take, 10 hours, 12. And then, San Francisco to New Jersey, guys, kay take, I think 6 hours. And New York to Myrtle Beach, take 1 hour and a half, guys. Usually long flight, guys. Para akong nabibingi, guys. Kasi nga, because I'm not using the headset in entire flight, guys. And when I arrive in what is called that, in New Jersey, very cold in the airport, guys. Because New Jersey is have snow in New Jersey. The airport is very cold inside the airport. And our jacket is very not thick. We wear jacket is not thick. The good thing is our waiting is only 1 hour and a half. I feel very cold, guys. So that's why I'm coating. Usually na, if you travel, guys, mostly long flight, you got tired, very tired. So yesterday we arrived here in the house like 1 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. Because our flight from Manila, I think 10:35 evening. And then we arrived here in the house 1 p.m. yesterday. Why I'm using the let's check if my camera, my microphone is on, because if you on your microphone, guys, and then you're not talking, it's not good also. Much better you talk if your microphone is on. We bought this in Manila in Shopee, guys. So that's why you heard our our voice very clearly if you use the the microphone. I'm very happy this microphone, guys. Let's start cooking our breakfast. A lot of to do here in the house, guys. Cleaning, because almost 6 months away in the house. So you need to clean and laundry. Maybe we load to laundry today. Lot of laundry from Manila. Yeah. And yesterday we do shopping because we throw all of the food in the rip because that expired. So we do shopping yesterday when I arrived here, and then while ago we do another shopping, food shopping. But we do only online, guys, online shopping. So after 3 hours, our groceries arrive here. That is the good thing here, guys. In the US, guys, everything you can buy through online. The water so very cold, guys. Because still have snow in Myrtle Beach, guys. The snow is still not melted in other area. But around here in my house, guys, no more snow na. Melted na. Yesterday at the airport, still have snow over there. Still not melted.
It destroyed the piece of luggage.
Oh, guys. Destroyed our luggage, guys. One of my luggage is broken. Yeah. When I get our luggage from Manila to San Francisco, the luggage is okay. And then, I don't know, San Francisco to New York to Myrtle Beach. I don't know which area that destroyed our luggage. And then we arrived yesterday in the airport, Myrtle Beach Airport, that is our last destination, that is 20 minutes away from the house. Okay? And then, when I get the luggage over there, guy, I saw one of my luggage, guy, is broken. Broken one of my luggage. And then, before we leave the airport, we go to the information, and then told them that the luggage are destroyed. And then they give all the information and they replace the luggage, guy. Waiting for that because they told they replace the bag. So that's why, guy, if you buy bag, mostly expensive bag, guy, you need to keep the receipt. So that's why if you go travel and then the luggage destroyed, you need to told to the company that your luggage destroyed before to leave the airport. They replace your bagay. Because we use that bag new from here to Philippines, and then Philippines to back here in the US, and then destroyed. That bag is very nice. My husband bought that two bag in ABA. So that's why the lady told that they replace the bag. I need to wait that guy and show you if the bag is replaced immediately. But they told they need to replace. They told apologize because they don't control. I understand that, guy. But the good thing is the company is replace your bag if your bag is broken. So that's why if you notice, if you're going to travel and then your bag is destroyed, you need to told immediately to the airline before you leaving in the airport. So that's why they replace that. Like that. That's a good thing. And now we need to cook breakfast. My husband one egg and bacon. Do you like that way? Egg with bacon and cheese. Usually in Manila, my husband 6 months don't eat bacon because they don't like the bacon in the Philippines. They cannot find the nice bacon in the Philippines, guys. Even in Landers and is in Argal. So that's why. Now, her first big breakfast in the US is egg with bacon and cheese. Like that. And that's it, her breakfast, guys. My husband don't eat too much. They eat only little bit. And mine, rice and this noodles. This is from the Philippines. You need to show the video later, guys, when I unboxing our groceries from the Philippines. Usually, the good thing, guys, the immigration in San Francisco don't ask about our food bring in the US because my husband is fill up the form before get off the plane in San Francisco. And no asking about the food we bring in the US. Usually our flight, guys, is very smooth, not bad. But the problem when I arrive in New Jersey, I feel very cold, guys, because our jacket is not thick. That's the worst thing. The worst thing is feel cold. Now, next time if we go travel, we need to bring a thick jacket, guys, because if you enter in some airport, snowing over there in the airport is not It's not hot, still cold. And now we need to slice the cheese, guys. I'm still coating, guys, because of the weather. I'm still coating. Usually, I think 5 days before our flight, guys, I have coat. But getting worse when going to travel because you know na it's cold. The weather is cold. And sometimes I'm holding my coating in the flight because sometimes I'm very shy to the other passenger. But you cannot hold, guy, because my throat is so itchy. Because the weather in the Philippines very nice, guy. We live in the condo, guy. I'm not using aircon. I'm not using electric fan because the weather is good. Mostly if you live in example 22 floor and then you live in the 10th floor, no need electric fan. No need aircon. The weather is perfect. Yeah, like that. We choose this black cheese, guys. So every time we cook, we need to shader the cheese. Because if you buy shader immediate cheese, guys, sometimes go bad. So that's why much better much better you use the what is called the water from the sink is cold. But hot and cold man to, guys. Over here hot and over here is cold. Mm. My husband breakfast is yummy. Egg, bacon, and cheese. And then maybe after breakfast we need to take a nap again, guys. My husband wake up so early and then they play her games. They miss too much her games because her routine every morning while having coffee. They play her games, guys, in TV. And then in the Philippines, they don't do that. That's why they miss. And they wake up early. Mm. I use this grease, guys, and think we need a little bit of olive oil and then cook the egg. This is our olive oil, guys, we use here. And this is for how much this? Almost $15, guys. Very expensive, guys. No? But this this is healthy. Sorry, guys. I'm continue cooking, guys. Continue cooking to our breakfast. What is that? Why look like ostrich? Like also in the Philippines, when I open the olive oil, ostrich also. Usually, I give some of the grocery leftover, guy, in the condo to the guard in the condo downstairs. Instead of throwing, we open the olive oil, guy. Only we use I think one time. You know na olive oil, small pieces, guys, so expensive. So I don't like to throw some of the pod. So that's why instead of throwing, need to give to Kuya guard in the condo. But we throw the guys. We throw the ground beef. I think 1 kilo. because I don't like to give that eh. But some of the grocery guy, we give to the guard because I'm part to my sister eh. So that's why I'm not bring to my sister. But if we close to my sister guy, I bring that grocery to my sister. I don't know why is those three man. I need to remove this guy. And I need little bit of oil because the grease of the oil in bacon is very little. Yeah. Na-lose-thread siya. Ah, I don't know. Ay, shout out pala guys to Lisel Melton in Dumaguete guys. And also to her family in ano guys Samar. You always watching our video. Thank you so much guys for watching our video. Even I'm not saw you in person. Thank you so much. Lisel Melton in Dumaguete and her family in ano guys Samar. Thank you so much guys for watching our video guys. Because my niece Alona told me that always watching her friend to our video. Thank you so much Lisel Melton in Dumaguete and your family in Samar. Thank you guys for watching our video. God bless you all guys. What is that? Trust? Trust. Lot of trust guys. The good thing our mailbox is not too much full. Even even away for 6 months. Almost 6 months guys. Let's cook guys. Egg. Egg. Need to cook egg guys. This is my husband breakfast. Preparing her breakfast guys. I think we need to off na. Because egg is very quick to cook. We need to off na this. The heat of the pan is fine. Lot of thing to do guys. Here in the house. And then I need to add this bacon. And this is so very delicious. Bacon. And add cheese. Oh, it's yummy guys. Yummy. Yummy. Look at it guys. I show you. Huh? That. So yummy. Yum. I need to cook our food guys. Our food is, let's eat, guys. My husband breakfast, first breakfast in the US 2026, guys. Enjoy your breakfast, mahal. My first breakfast in the US, guys. Noodles and rice and ginger tea. This is good for the cold weather. Let's eat, guys. Breakfast tayo, guys. Let's eat breakfast, guys. Noodles yung breakfast ko, guys. This is perfect for cold weather. Naninibago ako sa weather, guys. Kasi malamig dito. Yummy. It's noodle from the Philippines. When I renew our PenHealth, guys, in the Philippines, first asking me a question, did you eat noodles? They asked me like that. I told yes. I think noodle is not bad if you eat once for a blue moon. Of course, if you eat every day, that is bad. You know, in the Philippines, lot of 3-in-1 coffee, different kind of noodles, different kind of tea. Like that. Only in the Philippines, guys. Lot of selection. It's it, guys. Waiting to our second grocery. We have grocery yesterday. And today, my husband placed another grocery. And we need to wait, guys. To deliver 12. Time now is 9 o'clock. Let's eat, guys. By the way, guys, thank you so much sa mga viewer and subscriber. Thank you so much, Lisel Melton in Dumaguete and her family in Samar. Thank you so much, guys. And see you to our next video, guys. Bye-bye. God bless you all.